this is outside my door. I don't know, I'd say that's about 6 inches, maybe 8 inches. Okay, now here we go. Well, you can't really tell. You see that little round thing? That's the base of a bird bath, and that's about, I'd say 3.5 feet tall, maybe 4 feet. And there's the tree. There's the driveway that remains unplowed. And that's looking out towards the street. I can't get out the door because there's 8 inches of snow here. There's the old truck. See how it's drifted up against the garage? Yep. But it sure is a pretty day. I don't know. That's it, guys. What a pretty sky. A little windy. And the trees gone. Glad those trees didn't come down. Now that's one thing. That's about it. Just waiting on my plow guy. Oh, here's a nice little drift. There you could tell by the light. See where the snow is? Yeah, that's pretty high snow. Oh, that's my driveway, kids.